Cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. That is why cells are also called as the building blocks of the body. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. Schleiden and Schwann gave the cell theory in 1838. Cell theory. All living things are made up of cells. New cells arise from pre-existing cells by their division. The organization of the cells in the body of a living organism decides its structure and functions. This is a diagram of a plant cell and an animal cell. Structure of a cell. Cells are enclosed by a cell membrane. In case of plant cell, there is a cell wall also. Inside the cell, nucleus and cytoplasm lies. The cell organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. This is the diagram of a cell wall. The first structure is cell wall. It is present in plant cell. It is the outermost layer. It is thick, non-elastic, rigid and non-living membrane. It is made up of cellulose and is fully permeable. Its function is that it provides protection and shape to the plant cell. The second structure is cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane. It is present in plants and animal cells. It is a thin, elastic, delicate living membrane. It is made up of lipids and proteins. Its function is that it provides shape and protection to the cell. This is the third structure, nucleus. Nucleus. It is known as the brain of the cell because all the activities of the cell are controlled by it. It is covered by a nuclear membrane and it contains nucleus and chromatin. Chromatin. It is a thread-like structure. When condensed, it appears like threads or fibers called chromosomes. The nucleus along with the cytoplasm is known as protoplasm. It is called the living substance of the cell. This is the fourth structure, cytoplasm. It is a transparent, jelly-like substance which occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. Cell organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. Cell organelles. Mitochondria. It is called the powerhouse of the cell because it produces the energy required for various functions of the body. Mitochondria consists of inner membrane, outer membrane, cristae, and matrix. Endoplasmic reticulum. It consists of a network of tubules. They synthesize proteins and lipids, and it helps in the transportation of materials from cell to nucleus and vice versa. Golgi bodies. Its function is secretion of proteins and enzymes. Ribosomes. They have amino acid chain. They synthesize proteins. Vacuole. It is a fluid-filled structure enclosed by the membranes. They store substances like food, water, waste produced by the cell. Lysosome. These are small spaces filled with digestive enzymes. They are known as societal bags of the cell because they may burst due to cellular disturbance and destroy the whole cell. Chloroplast. They are present in plant cell, contain chlorophyll, and are known as kitchen of the cell because preparation of food takes place in the chloroplast. Chromoplast. They are present in plant cells and impart color to the flowers and fruits. Centrosome. They are present in animal cell, found near the nucleus and initiate the process of cell division.